Here's 3 things we learned from our second ever market stall. Number 1, logistics matter way more than you think. There's packing, moving gear, unpacking, setting up, and pack down. Looking back, it probably would have made more sense for us to stay somewhere further away that was easier logistically, instead of carrying all of our gear from the truck up to an apartment every day. Number 2, sales are cool, but the connections you make with people matter way more. Getting to meet people face to face, hearing their stories, or even just someone coming up and saying, "Bro, I watch your videos online. Thank you for what you do." Those moments stay with you way longer than the sales do. And number 3, good equipment changes everything. A huge shout out to our friends at Black Hawk for gifting us this gazebo setup. It's strong, durable, easy to set up, and honestly made the whole weekend way less stressful, especially with how cold it got. Having proper shelter really made a difference. So if you're looking for a gazebo that's reliable, go check out the whānau at Black Hawk. Mauri ora.